Okay guys, good afternoon. This is Rick Ayaay, your Anside the Vlogger, your animal scientist. So, today is Saturday, September 30, 2023. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Magalang, Pampanga. Okay, so ano ang gagawin natin? One of our clients sa ruminant, okay, ruminant industry is yung ating what do you call this? Yung kambing natin. So goat. So nasa goat industry tayo. Nag-request sila ng ultrasound services. So guys, kung hindi nyo po alam, for your information, ang Brackish Trading po through Rick Ayaay, nagkakandak po kami ng ultrasound services. Okay? Ultrasound / sonography. Okay? So yun po yung sineservice natin. Para lang siyang AI service. So ito naman ultrasound service. Okay, yung kanilang animals since ruminant, ito ay goat kambingan, goat farm o semi backyard or siguro backyard ito. So yun po, ikakandak natin yung ating ultrasound services. So hopefully mag-perform tayo na maayos to detect pregnancy in goat. Okay, so yun po, ito po yung ating ultrasound scanner. So naka-ready na po yan. So yun guys, so maliban sa nasa food packaging industry tayo, so may time din na nasa livestock industry tayo. So kung yung mga nakaraang araw nasa mga water treatment, today naman yung araw na ito sa ruminant animals. So servicing the ruminant animals. Okay guys, so yun po, papunta na tayo, inaantay na tayo ng ating client. So mamaya balikan ko po kayo. Okay dokie guys.